hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Troll Media and Moose and Mrs. Troll Media signing in.
Hey y'all.
With a Cooking with Mr. and Mrs. and Moose Troll Media. What we are making today, you guys are lucky, you're getting another Cooking with Troll Media today. I am going to make from scratch hot dog buns. Super freaking hard to make. And this is how it starts off. You need to get some flour, all-purpose flour. And you want to get your yeast to activate. So your hot water, a little bit of, I use hot water. Hot water, warm water, nothing over 100 degrees. Flour, and your dry active yeast. This stuff right here. It's pretty good. I like this stuff. It works really good. You mix that all together, and when you start seeing bubbles bubbling, that means the yeast is eating and working and doing its magic. So what we're going to do is, since this is all done, I'm just going to go ahead and pop this directly into the oven, just like so. Just like that. And just like that. And we have hot dog buns. Look at this. Be careful because they're going to be really hot. You're going to burn your hands if you pull them out of the oven like that. You know, just bare-handed. So, there you go, guys. Hot dog buns.